It's not how old you are in Sahaj Yoga, but how evolved you are.
अरे अनिकेत, तुम यहाँ कैसे? When did you become a Sahaj Yogi?
I'm still becoming.
Beautiful पूजा ना, क्या vibrations थे and lovely decorations. मैं तो 15-20 साल पहले ही सहज योगी बन गई.
Good, good.
अच्छा, अगले साल में क्या कर रहे हो?
कुछ खास नहीं, क्यों?
Come to my home for हवन.
Yes, definitely. Anything special?
कुछ स्पेशल नहीं, घर पे बहुत सारा घी पड़ा था, लक्ष्मण देव बाबा का. We use many things from him, aloe vera, amla juice, but this time my husband got a lot of ghee at 50% discount. So we are having havan.
But why don't you use vibrated ghee? Keep the ghee in front of Shrimataji. Just pray to her, the ghee will get vibrated. And you can use that for your havan.
अरे लक्ष्मण देव बाबा का घी बहुत ही बढ़िया होता है. वो उस पे शुद्धिकरण करते हैं. He purifies the ghee, and you know it has helped me a lot in my health.
Sorry, Didi, but I can't come to your place. I have no time for Lakshman Dev Baba and his ghee. See, if possible, don't buy such false products from such false gurus. Also, don't go to such false gurus. They will spoil your muladhara, your nabhi, your void, your back ajna, and your entire left channel will be filled with bhoots and badhas. Take care, Didi. Jai Shri Mataji.
अरे अरे अनिकेत, रुक तो. बचपन से ही गरम दिमाग है ये तो. चलो.
Golmaal, golmaal, everything's gonna be golmaal. Golmaal, golmaal, everything's gonna be golmaal. Golmaal, golmaal, everything's gonna be golmaal. Golmaal, golmaal, everything's gonna be golmaal.
Yes, let me do a dance. Hey, it's a new conception. Massive track.
Sahaj Yoga takes its roots very sweetly into the heart of all the Sikhs. It works very spontaneously. You get your realization without any difficulty, without any effort, without paying for it, without going into any sort of strenuous exercise. But when we talk of Kalaki, we have to remember that between getting our realization and entering into the kingdom of God, we can falter very much. This is called as Yoga Bhrashta Sthiti. People take to yoga, they come into yoga and are then enchanted still by their pravrittis. For example, an ego-oriented man or a money-oriented man or a man who wants to dominate can form a group of people whom he would dominate by his ideas and can go in for a fall, and the rest of them will also go down in Sahaja Yoga itself.
अनिकेत, What are you doing alone? You have to join us. You have to be collective.
I am not alone. I attend center every week. I attend collective pujas. I go to public programs. Sometimes I even attend workshops. I am connected to the global collectivity through Sahasrara.
But you see, Kaka is very knowledgeable about Sahaj Yoga. He has fantastic vibrational awareness. वो जो कहते हैं, वो जहाँ जाते हैं, वहाँ हम जाते हैं. वो अगर निर्मल धाम जाते हैं, तो हम भी निर्मल धाम जाते हैं. अगर वो कबेला जाते हैं, तो हम भी कबेला जाते हैं. उनसे हर एक बात में पूछ के करता हूँ. कौन सा जॉब करना है, क्या खाना खाना है और क्या कपड़े पहनने हैं. अभी तो मैं मेरे शादी की बात भी उनसे पूछ के कर रहा हूँ.
Acha? I'm sure he has. But the question is, when will I have super vibrational awareness? When will you have super vibrational awareness?
Ask him. He knows everything. Whatever questions you have, he has answers to. He knows he will tell you things about yourself. And he does not even charge anything. Just sometimes.
No. I want to know about myself through my own self. When will I start to know about myself? When will you start to know about yourself?
But we don't have to know about ourselves. Kaka tells us.
No. Shri Mataji tells me everything I need to know. I get up every day, early morning, 4 a.m. and I meditate. If I can't meditate, I do different treatments. I have been to Vashi Hospital as well.
हम भी ग्रुप में मेडिटेशन करते हैं. सुबह 6 बजे और रात को 10 बजे. काका हमें गाइड करते हैं. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. क्या वाइब्रेशंस रहते हैं. कैसे? टॉप लेवल.
Aniket, you have to do something. Otherwise, how will you grow?
I know. I will meditate more. I believe in mother. I will meditate more. मुझे श्री माता जी पे पूर्ण विश्वास है. I will meditate more.